Lailis Paza shop, how about the rekisa magwinya likota? Government, if you approach government, they should be able to support you. When I arrived,
congratulations to all South African citizens. As the president of South Africa, in the person of Ramaphosa, have made a promise that anyone who wants to own a sponsor shop should approach the government. He made this statement during their launching of manifesto on the 23rd of August. Guys, I want you to watch this video. I will be back. If you are coming across the channel for the first time, do be sure to like this video, subscribe and turn your bell notification for more updates in this global update. Let's listen to what they have to say. I will be back at the end. Thank you.
This manifesto, comrades, sets out 6 actions through which we will earn the trust and continue building better communities together. Our first action is to provide water, electricity, and other basic services that are affordable, reliable, and available to all. Every South African community must have clean water, dignified sanitation, reliable electricity, maintained roads, regular refuse removal, and infrastructure that supports a decent quality of life. This is what you have said, and this is what our manifesto talks to. Over the past few years, the ANC-led government has overseen a remarkable improvement in the country's electricity supply. After more than a decade of persistent load shedding, we took far-reaching actions to restore Eskom's performance, to improve the maintenance, and to bring new generation capacity onto our electricity line grids. South Africa has now passed more than 460 days without load shedding. That has been a great achievement. Barata kapa barati ke mosebetsi o entsweng ke ANC. La ba sa re rate mosebetsi o entswe ke ANC. 7 of our provinces are now free from load reduction, and work is continuing in the remaining affected areas in Gauteng and KwaZulu-Natal. We know, while load shedding has largely ended, there is load reduction. And yes, our Department of Electricity is solving that problem on an ongoing basis. Go setse di provinces tse pedi fela gore re qete load reduction. Na yona load reduction e ta hela. E timeserile gore e heta load reduction gore bantu ba hina ba na vutomi bya kahle. This progress shows what can be achieved when there is clear leadership, skilled management, disciplined execution, and cooperation across government, public institutions, business, labor, and society. Yes, our Eskom is now delivering electricity properly on an ongoing basis. And our Eskom, remember, is 100% owned by the people of South Africa. Our task now is to ensure that this progress reaches every household and every business, and that electricity is reliable and affordable. And water requires the same urgency. It requires the same focus and discipline. The ANC-led government, comrades, is mobilizing all spheres of government to address the challenge of water. You will know or from time to time, we face the challenge of water bursts, water unavailability, and our people at times go for days and weeks without water. This is a problem that we are addressing. This includes investment in our dams, in our pipelines, in our water treatment plants, and the repair of municipal networks to reduce losses and to strengthen local water services. Now, through the processes that we have embarked upon, we are improving the performance and financial sustainability of our water. We will not allow national, provincial, and local government to pass responsibility from one sphere to another while communities go without services. The three spheres will work together as one government to serve our people. What we've been experiencing thus far is that our various spheres of government have been working alone in isolation. Going forward, comrades, we are now going to work together to resolve even problems such as these. Over the next 5 years, the ANC-led municipalities will prioritize the maintenance and renewal of infrastructure. They will repair leaks. They will eliminate sewage spills. Yes, our people have been complaining about sewage spills where they live. And we are now saying our municipal councils that will be elected are going to be forced to focus on sewage spills. Re di sewage a re sa batla ho bona sewage e tsamayang diterateng. E tshwanetse re fela le di mayor tsa rona ba sa di fetse monyako o tla ba o bulehile ba tswele ka ntle ka hobane re batla hore ba sebetse ba etse mosebetsi ka ntle ka hobane re batla hore ba sebetse ba etse mosebetsi o ba tshwanetseng hore ba o etse. Comrades, we will reduce excessive dependence on consultants and contractors by rebuilding technical and engineering and financial project management capacity of municipalities. Honale, this disease of outsourcing everything, which Kosatu was talking about. We will want most of the services yetswe ke basebetsi ba masepala ka hare ha masepala ba be bona who will do all the work. We will accelerate upgrading of informal settlements. We will expand access to service sites and transfer title deeds to people who have waited too long for proof of ownership of their homes. Ki ile ka re the title deeds ke tsa setjhaba a se tsa ofisi di ska dula ofising.
A lot of South Africans are saying that they will never believe on ANC again because they have been promising that they even promised 1 million houses for South African citizens that up to today they have not gotten any of the promise. Now, yesterday during their manifesto, when they were launching it, they made a lot of promise that you even hear now. A lot of promise regarding water, regarding support for spas at shop, in fact, employment, so many things they promise. Then, but when you go to the comment section, you see that South Africans are not smiling. They said they have been hearing promises from ANC this time around that they will not believe on it again. You that watch this video, what do you think? Let me hear your thoughts in the comments. Because it's only South Africans that know if what they are saying is true or not. Because in my own country, if they are doing the election, when they want to do campaign, this is how they promise heaven and earth. But immediately they enter, they will forget all that promise. And I don't think it's like that in South Africa. So it's only South Africa that can let us know Guys, what do you think? I pray that they put it in action. Congratulations to us, South Africa. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more.